Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my podcast. Today, we're talking about a very important topic for parents: how you can train your child to become independent. Independence doesn't happen overnight, it grows through a small, everyday habit. This is seven simple but powerful ways to help your child become more independent. Step one: start with a small responsibility. Children learn this independence through simple tasks. For your kids, let them fix their toys, pick up their clothes, or for their own water. For your old kids, let them prepare a simple snack or prepare their school bags. Small tasks builds confidence. Step 2, stop doing everything for them. It's normal to want to help, but too much help makes a child dependent. When your child says, "Mom, I can't reply," try first. I will guide you. Encourage effort before you step in. Step 3, allow them to make a choices. Give two options like, do you want to wear the blue shirt or the red one? Do you want to do homework now or after a short break? Choices teach decision making. Step 4, teach problem solving. Instead of giving the answer immediately, ask a question like, what do you think you should do? What's another way to solve it? This trains their brain to think on their own. Step 5, let them experience natural consequences. If they forgot their homework, don't rush to bring to school. Let them feel the result. Responsibility grows from experience. Step 6, praise effort, not just success. Say things like, you're trying your best. You finish it even it's so hard. This builds confidence that they can do things alone. Last, step 7, create a routine. A daily routine teaches responsibility without stress. Morning, fix their bed, brush their teeth, prepare uniform. At night, pack school bags, pick clothes, keep toys. Independence is a gift we give our child. It refers from them from life, children, confidence, and emotional stress. And giving children the chance to try, fail, and try again, we raise confidence and capable, independence individual. So don't forget, thank you so much for joining, for listening, and don't forget to subscribe and comment and share so that a lot of people will know and to raise their children to become independent.